Lesson 3. Types of automotive fuels. In this lesson, we will explore two of the most common types of automotive fuels, gasoline and diesel. We will delve into their characteristics, applications, and considerations for different vehicle types. Gasoline. Gasoline is the primary fuel used in internal combustion engines for most passenger vehicles. It is a volatile liquid composed of hydrocarbons derived from crude oil refining. Gasoline is characterized by its octane rating, which determines its resistance to knocking. Different gasoline grades are available, typically ranging from regular, 87 octane, to premium, 91, 93 octane. Gasoline engines require a spark to ignite the fuel-air mixture for combustion. Diesel. Diesel fuel is commonly used in heavy-duty vehicles, such as trucks, buses, and some passenger cars. It is less volatile than gasoline and has a higher energy density. Diesel fuel is composed of hydrocarbons, but it has a higher carbon content and lower octane rating than gasoline. Diesel engines operate on the principle of compression ignition, where the fuel-air mixture ignites due to high cylinder pressures. Diesel engines are known for their high torque output and fuel efficiency. Applications and considerations. Gasoline is widely used in passenger cars, motorcycles, and small to mid-sized vehicles. Diesel fuel is preferred in heavy-duty vehicles, including trucks, buses, and some SUVs. When considering fuel options for a vehicle, factors such as cost, availability, performance requirements, and environmental impact should be considered. Some vehicles are designed to run on specific fuel types, so it's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Recap. In this lesson, we explored gasoline as the primary fuel for internal combustion engines and diesel fuel's characteristics and applications in various vehicle types. Understanding the differences between gasoline and diesel can help you make informed decisions regarding fuel choices. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 3, Types of Automotive Fuels. In the next lesson, we will delve into alternative fuels, including electric vehicles and biofuels.